Assalamu alaikum dear friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Smart Study with Khalil Reahman. Today our topic is Past Papers Punjab Public Service Commission 2019. Most important MCQs for all SPSC town and municipal officer test and all other tests. MCQs number 1, we start among the following which is the oldest English language newspaper of Pakistan is the Dawn. MCQs number 2, Al-Taqsim Square situated in Istanbul. Number 3, Kargils in the Indian held Jammu and Kashmir. A hyperlink is a word phrase that when clicked. Number 5, Chenab meets river Jhelum at Remove. Number 6, Pakistan largest import category is petroleum and petroleum products. The theory of population was propounded by Thomas Rober. Pakistan Steel Mill Karachi was founded with the cooperation of Russia. Women seats in Senate 17. Why US entered in World War II due to the Pearl Harbor attack by Japan. 14 number MCQs. UPS is now widely used in households. What does UPS stand for? Uninterruptible power supply. Who prescribed about the Shimla Conference in 1945? Lord Wavell. 16 number MCQs. Ahmad Shah Massoud was the prominent leader of the North Alliance in Afghanistan, to which belongs to Tajik. Jansher Khan won a junior squash championship in 1986. International Day of the Disabled Persons observed every year on 3rd December. MCQs number 19. 2022 FIFA World Cup was held in Qatar. What is the meaning of term annuity is the pension allowance. 20 runoff which is disputed area between Sindh and India. 22 MCQs. World No Tobacco Day is observed on 31st May. 23 MCQs. In which surah applications of the ablutions are described? Al-Maida. Which is the not one of the function performed by a Punjab Employee Social Security Institution Spsc in the provisions of the free quality educations to the children of industrial workers. 25 MCQs. The capital of Byzantine Empire was Constantinople. Who headed the cabinet mission? Lord Patrick Lawrence. 26 MCQs. MCQs number 27. What is the embedded system? The computer which is the part of larger system of our machine. The origin of the game of golf is attributed to an island. Which is the American state with the most lakes is Alaska. Where is the Baba Bule Shah buried? Kasur. 31 MCQs. Who was the first deputy president of the National Assembly? Muhammad Tamizuddin Khan. 32 MCQs. Which Urdu poet was given a Lenin Award by the ex-USSR government? Faiz Ahmad Faiz. Which value remains unchanged in MS Excel is constant. 34. Babylon is the famous city of Iraq. 35 MCQs. Which key is used for the redo in MS Word? Control Y. Loudspeakers is the voice is increased due to high frequency. 37 MCQs. According to the referendum, British got votes in favor to leave the British is 51.89%. Amul Ummat is a title of Hazrat Abu Ubaidah bin al-Jarrah. 39 MCQs. The International Court of Justice located in The Hague. Those substances which give the hydrogen ions in waters are called acids. Mother Teresa got a Nobel Prize for Peace. Radcliffe was a distinguished profession by a liar. Pakistan became a member of International Labour Organization's ILO in 1947. Head of Senate is called chairman. In which year Taliban's office opened in Qatar? 2013. The best soil pH value of the most crops and plants is 6.5. Nawab Akbar Bukti was assassinated on 26 August 2006. From which university did Allama Iqbal obtain his PhD degree? Munich. To 49 MCQs. Kalhar Kahar Lake is located in which district? Chakwal. Which country is known as the mistress